How to unlock your Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can unlock your Facebook account. Now, if you have locked your Facebook account for security reasons, if you're a private person and you don't want any unknown person, looking around your profile and you've locked it, but if you now want to unlock it, this video is for you. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's begin. So after you've locked your profile, let me just start from the beginning. Okay, so after you've locked your profile, what you'll need to do is open up your Facebook, tap on your Facebook, and after you've opened up your Facebook, you will need to head over to your profile. To do that, go to the menu on the bottom right. Then tap on your profile on the top. After you're here, you should see something like this that says you've locked your profile. If you simply tap on that, it will take you to this section where you'll get an option to unlock it. You can tap on unlock and confirm from there as well. Now the other way, let me just show you another way. Tap on the three dots right besides edit profile, and there you should see an unlock profile option. You can tap on that as well and it will take you to the very same place. Now let's continue from here. Tap on unlock, then tap on unlock your profile, and after you do that, your profile will now be unlocked. And that's how simple it is, and that's basically it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, and again, don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys, take care.